Hello. Today's lesson is lesson 8-9, the last lesson in our unit on division, and it's called problem solving. Draw a picture and write a number sentence. You know how to draw and use pictures to show operations like addition and subtraction. Today you will learn to draw and use pictures to help you see what operation is needed to solve a problem. What kinds of pictures have you drawn to solve problems? Students said they might do a drawing like this to show a division problem, or they could use a part-whole map for several different kinds of problems, or they could do an array for multiplication, or even for division probably. Here's the kind of problem we looked at today. At the community garden, 32 pounds of green beans have been picked. They will be shared by 4 families. If each family gets the same amount, how many pounds of beans will each family get? Draw a picture to solve. First, we asked ourselves what important information is given. I crossed out all the things that I thought weren't absolutely super important information we needed to know to solve the problem. What we're left with, the words that aren't crossed out, I wrote again in red, and students were kind of surprised. It all still makes sense. 32 shared by 4. Already I'm thinking probably a division problem, but the next sentence really makes me sure it's a division problem. Each gets the same amount. How many each? Draw a picture to solve. That's what we really need to know. What it comes down to is it's 32 divided by 4. Draw a picture to solve. Oh, we talked about what kind of pictures we could draw. This was a picture I suggested, a part-whole map. And we talked about how the 32 at the top shows the whole. That's what a part-whole map does. 32 shows the whole. And then these are the parts of that whole. What do the boxes show? Well, in this problem there's 4 boxes and they show the 4 families. The question mark shows the answer we're trying to find, which is how many beans will each family get? We know the number sentence for this problem is 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. What does the 32 mean? That's talking about how many pounds of green beans. What does the 4 mean? That's how many families or equal groups get those 32. And what does the 8 mean? The 8 means the number of pounds each family gets. How can drawing a picture help you solve the problem? I liked talking about this with the kids because a lot of them said drawing a picture helps me figure out a problem. It helps me clear my thoughts and understand what I'm doing. Should you draw a picture today to solve problems? Yes. Should you draw a picture to solve problems during the test? Yes. We looked at a couple examples. This says draw a diagram or a picture and write a number sentence and solve. There are 8 cars on a Ferris wheel. Each car holds 3 people. How many people can ride the Ferris wheel at the same time? This was a multiplication question. Students drew pictures kind of like this, or they drew circles and put 3 tally marks in each circle and then counted their tally marks. Another problem we did as a class, there were 24 children in a relay race. There were 6 teams in all. How many children were on each team? Pause the video if you need to. What I'd like you to do is draw a picture, write a number sentence, and solve. There's a picture and a number sentence and the solution. 4 children on each team. Last question we did as a class. Austin is 8 years old. Grace is twice as old as Austin. How old is Grace? There's a picture. 2 Austins equal 1 Grace. 2 times 8 equals 16. Grace is 16. That was it for today.